What color is the blood of different animals? Octopus, blue blood. Earthworm, red blood. Horseshoe crab, light blue blood. Lizards, green blood. King scorpion, blue blood. Nesting worm, also blue blood. Brachiopod, black blood. Lizard, light green blood. Blue-boned frog, green blood. Human, red blood. Cockroach, white blood. Alligator icefish, also white blood. Sea squirt, yellow blood. Ants, also yellow. Blood python, brown blood. Wolf, crimson blood. Leeches, green danger. Marine fish, blue-green blood. Mollusk, blue blood. Marine worm, magenta blood. Peanut worm, brownish-red blood. Ironborn, yellow-green blood. Hulk, dark green blood. So the question arises, how many colors of blood are there in total? Which one is the most valuable?